Welcome to week 6. Week 6 covers chapter 8 in your textbook, which deals with special senses. We're looking at the senses of sight, hearing, and taste. You should be reading chapter 8 in your textbook, and as you read the chapter, take notes on the chapter outline. You should be doing this each week so that you have that to study for your exams and for the final exam at the end of the semester. There won't be any extra assignments this week other than the reading and your practice test on chapter 8 and then studying the lab material. You have quite a few lab models this week. You're going to have eye and ear models. So pay attention to those and really study the lab work this week. All the models that we cover in our course are models that if you take a more advanced anatomy class, like Anatomy 125, you'll be using the same or similar models, and you'll get a head start in this course for the parts of those different models, which are the parts of the actual organs. So, work on doing your reading this week, your studying of chapter 8, your lab work, and you could even go back to chapter 7 and take another look at that and do some extra study since you don't have any extra assignments to turn in. So I hope you have a good week and thanks for listening.